Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Code Talk. So I'm Govind Kumar. So I'm going to explain today how to install latest Python 3.7 version on your computer. Okay, so before that I would just like to tell you that I'm going to start this new Python learning series where I will be covering all the Python topics one by one. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel The Code Talk, so that you get all the videos, whatever videos I make, you get all the videos in your YouTube, and you can learn all the topics. Okay, so let's start our first video, which is how to install latest Python 3.7 on your machine. Okay, so first of all you have to go to this www.python.org site. Okay, so when you go to this site, here you will get a download option. Okay, here you will see all the downloads which you want to install in your machine. Okay, so if you are using Windows operating system, then just go to Windows. Okay, and here you will see all the installers of the Python. Okay, so here we have different versions of Python, right? Like Python 3 and Python 2, these are the major release of Python 3x and Python 2x series. Okay, so similarly, if you want to install any of the previous version, you can install that. Okay, from here. But here, since we are installing the latest version, so I will go over here, latest Python 3 release. Okay, so once you come over here, so just click on this option. Okay, and you will be redirected to this. Okay, so here you will see all the installer files for your operating system. Okay, so here what we have to install is, we have to install Windows executable installer. Okay, so I will come over here. Okay, I will come over here. Since my machine is x86, so that's why I will install x86 executable installer. So just click over here, and Python's latest version will be downloaded on your machine. Okay, so you can see over here the setup is being downloaded. So it's 24.3 MB of this setup. It will take some time, so just download this setup. Okay, so once we download this setup, then we will see how we can install this Python 3.7 on our Windows operating system. Okay, so it's just gonna take some time. So here you can see that our Python 3.7 has been downloaded. Okay, so just come over here. Okay, and go to the folder. Okay, and here you can just go and run as administrator. Okay, okay, so once you run it as administrator, you will see this option. Okay, so before I click on install now option, just tick this checkbox, add Python 3.7 to your path. Okay, and then just go ahead and click on the install now option. So once you do that, your installation will start. Okay, so this installation is going to take few minutes. Okay, so it will install all the required packages and all the DLLs which will be used by the Python. All those DLLs and packages will be installed and placed into your machine. Okay, so it's just gonna take few minutes. Okay, until it's installed on your machine. So this installation process itself is quite simple. Okay, so you have to just follow these simple steps. Okay, so it's just gonna take few minutes, few seconds actually. So it will be installed on a machine. All right, so similar way, if you want to install any previous version on your machine, you can just go to that previous version, like 2.7 or whatever version of your choice. Okay, you can select that particular version and you can download that setup. Okay, once you download that setup, you can just follow these simple steps and install that setup on your machine, right? So yeah, here it is. So it's gonna take just few seconds. So as you can see, the setup is successful, right? So the Python latest version is installed on our machine. Now we are ready to use it, right? So once you have installed it, so just go to all programs. So here you will see a folder named as Python 3.7. So just come over here and click on this. This is IDLE. Okay, so this is basically IDE where you can write your code and execute your commands, right? So for example, I will print hello world. Okay, so you can just come over here and you can print hello world. So this is very simple. So this is our first kind of, we can say it's a program. So hello world is printed, right? So similarly, or you can come over here as well, like this. So this is also Python shell, right? So generally we write code, our code on the IDLE because that is more preferred, right? So on Python shell you can also go and you can write your program or write your command, whatever you want to do. So in this, so over here we will see how we can install and print hello world. So just write print hello world and here it is, hello world. So guys, that's it. This is how you can download the latest Python version on your machine and you can install that, right? So after that I'll be making further videos on all the Python topics one by one. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, The Code Talk. That's it guys, sign out.